Hi, welcome to Yolo Queen Bee Tarot. I am Yolo Queen Bee and I am doing tarot for Aquarius. Prayed over the cards, is asked for blessings, have sage and incense for the ancestors. I had Pandora playing, so sometimes I hear messages that way as well. Only you can make me happy. Who's this by Surface? Happy. Yes. All right. For Aquarius, going to, well, easy now. Let's go on with Aquarius. Whoa. Aquarius. 5 of Pentacles, 5 of Wands, 6 of Swords, 7 of Pentacles, and the Queen of Wands. I already feel chilly all of a sudden. Someone really feels left out in the cold, or maybe they're ill. There's conflict, so maybe there's conflict with the illness, or the 5 of Pentacles has changed, so there must have been a disruption, some big change. Or due to the change, someone feels left out in the cold. Like it just left everybody in an uproar, big chaos. So you're moving to calmer waters. Taking the 6 of Swords is like all the truths, all the tea that's done spill out. And you're like, I'm out of here. You know what? I'm out of here. Headed to calmer waters. But you're in doubt about a Queen of Wands. Are you headed towards a Queen of Wands? Because Pentacles could also be like, you know, you're waiting. It's almost like watching water boil. You know, when you watch it, it doesn't boil, but when you don't watch it, all of a sudden it starts boiling. It's kind of like that. Like you're concentrated on your money. The potential to be money, and the Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands is Sagittarius energy. She's pretty cool. For the most part, her and her black cat. Where's it got the at, by the way? Ooh, who's feeling left out in the cold, Aquarius? Did you leave someone out in the cold, Aquarius? A Tower card. So yeah, there was something came crashing down. See the people, even the people fell out the top. The bottom's all crumbly. Something hit the fan. Can you clarify the Tower? Can you clarify the Tower? Something was emotionally unfulfilled. Someone walked away. Someone made a choice. There's this. I'm focused on the side eye of the moon. Like yeah, you knew. So someone made a choice, a poor choice about something, caused the whole Tower moment. What's the 7 of Pentacles? Collaboration. Pages is a message, or an emotional small token of their affection. Or maybe that was it. There was It was a third-party situation, a collaboration about, that's what they're waiting on, a collaboration of some money. It's not coming to, there's something fishy about it, right? Pisces energy. Well, actually, you know, it could be water signs, Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. What about the Queen of Cups? Why is she in the mix here? The King of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune, and Ace of Pentacles. Wow. So a couple, they're going to have fortune, inheritance, abundance, a new beginning in money, money, money. Bajillions. I heard that. So maybe that's the Tower moment. Maybe there's a sour moment. Someone picks somebody. Somebody picks somebody else or something. Sad. What's going on, Aquarius? Someone sad over you, or did you make a poor choice and you knew better, like you knew better, or they knew better to get involved with you? Just give them some sunshine. Put a little sunshine. What's the song? Rock Steady, The Whispers. 10:55 on the clock. All right, Gaia, let's give them some sunshine to Aquarius. What's going on? What's these oracles by Mr. Salerno? Toni, Carmine, Salerno. Beautiful Gaia cards. Come on, we got to give them. Come on, Gaia, now. Come on. Stop. Thank you. Jewel within a teardrop. Appreciation, spiritual and emotional reconnection. 10. Card number 10. So 10 is an ending and a beginning. Jewel within a teardrop. You will soon experience a strong spiritual and emotional bond with another person, a family member, an animal, or pet. During this time, you will also reconnect with your inner most feelings in true nature, which have been suppressed or ignored of late. This is a deeply emotional time where tears of sadness transform to tears of joy. Your appreciation of life, love, and friendship will strengthen as you give thanks for many blessings in your life. Love is truly all around you. Embrace it, cherish it, and honor it. You and those you love unite through a common bond, and the love you feel for one another grows stronger and more profound. This is a special and magical time. Be sure to savor each and every moment. Love is all that really matters. Affirmation. Wow, that was beautiful. Some little sunshine for you, Aquarius. I am one with my higher self. I am in touch and in tune with my innermost feelings. I am blessed. I am spiritually connected to those I love. I am loved. Absolutely, absolutely. All right. You remember, you only live once, and I love you. Namaste.